So this is the recording with the E-PL9. So the real question is that can you really vlog with the E-PL9? The only downside is that it do not have a audio mic jack. So literally you need to do the audio sync. But right now you're just hearing me from the built-in microphone. I'm just waiting for the signal, as you can see. Yeah, I'm just waiting at a signal. So the real question is that can you really vlog? Can you really vlog with the Olympus EPL9? The real question is that can you really vlog with the Olympus EPL9 or not? And I'm using the 40mm Panasonic f2.5 lens. Definitely you need 12mm lens. Get the 12mm f2 lens, or get the 12 to 100, 12 to 42, not 12 to 40, or get the 12 to 200. Yeah. So can you really vlog? Is this the perfect camera? I mean, is the Olympus EPL9 perfect camera or not? I mean, I'm also on a search to find the perfect camera, like the camera conspiracy. Is this the perfect camera or not? So I'm just waiting for it. Can the signal? No, it's still red. I cannot just cross like that. It's not that good. So yeah, how good is the exposure and how good is the video quality? 4K 30 frames per second. So let's walk. The stabilizer test begin. How good is the stabilizer? How good is the exposure? And how good is everything? Olympus EPL9 4K recording. So how good is everything? Again, you need to be the judge. How good is the video quality and how good is the stabilizer? I mean, inside I can easily increase the exposure I want. Is this the perfect camera for vlogging? I think so. If only it have a microphone jack, it will be the best vlogging camera. But if you use the external recorder, then I personally use the external recorder, but I'm not using it right now because I don't wanna do the audio sync. I just wanna show you the real audio of the camera. So can you really vlog with EPL9? Definitely yes. The 3-axis stabilizer is outside of this world. It is literally amazing. I mean, so right now we are going to get into tight space. There are so many people around me. Okay, because this is the 40mm lens. This is not that wide, so I cannot. I need to extend my arms a little bit. I mean, this is my full arm extend. As you can see, my full arm extend. Okay, I'm just checking the exposure. So I think so that's enough. Yes, you can definitely vlog with it. I'm quite happy with the Olympus EPL9 at the end of the day. I have literally no problem. Yeah, this is only like 500 grams, 440 camera and 140 lens. Still my hand is like feeling pain. So yeah, it was me, none other than Geek. Subscribe and bye.